Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Bat Houses is probably one of the most unique and beneficial additions you can make to your garden or backyard, offering a safe haven for these nocturnal pollinators and insect controllers while adding a touch of natural charm and ecological responsibility to your outdoor space. These thoughtfully designed structures provide essential shelter for bats, helping to support local ecosystems by encouraging natural pest control and contributing to the pollination of plants, making them an increasingly popular choice for environmentally conscious homeowners looking to make a positive impact. Number 5. WildYard 3-Chamber Bat House, Black. Provide a safe and cozy home for up to 200 bats with this specially designed roosting box. It's an ideal spot, especially for colonies of female bats. Attract bats to your yard and let them help you manage mosquito populations naturally. This house is built to endure various weather conditions, from snow to heat. Crafted from high-quality cedar, this durable house is designed to last. The natural properties of cedar resist rot and decay, ensuring it stays in great shape for years. Setting up your new bat house is easy with the included hardware. You can securely mount it to trees or walls in just 6 simple steps. Encourage these vital creatures to roost in your backyard, supporting the ecosystem. It's a fantastic solution for nature lovers and gardeners alike. What we like. This bat house is designed for larger colonies, perfect for those looking to attract a significant number of bats. If you have a serious mosquito problem or want to establish a thriving bat community, this is an excellent choice. Its durable cedar construction ensures it will last for years. What people say. The bat house is well constructed with durable materials, ensuring it will last for many seasons. Its thoughtful design includes multiple chambers, providing ample space for a colony of bats to roost comfortably. The ventilation and drainage features are excellent, keeping the interior dry and healthy for the bats. Number 4. BIGBATBOX WildYard 2-Chamber Bat House. Introducing the BIGBATBOX WildYard, a spacious 2-chamber bat house designed to comfortably house up to 75 bats. Its efficient design provides an ideal roosting environment, helping you naturally manage mosquito populations. Effectively eliminate mosquitoes with this durable bat house. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, including snow, rain, cold, and heat, ensuring long-lasting protection for your backyard. Handcrafted from high-quality, naturally rot-resistant cedar wood, this bat house ensures a safe environment for bats with no paint inside. Its construction guarantees protection from the elements and years of reliable use. Setting up your new bat house is a breeze with our included stainless steel hardware. You can easily secure it to houses, trees, or any suitable outdoor location in just 6 simple steps. Encourage bats to roost in your yard with this eco-friendly solution. By providing a safe habitat, you support these vital creatures and enhance your local ecosystem naturally. Modeled after our MTBC-certified bat box, this proven design offers an efficient 2-chamber layout. You'll be almost guaranteed to attract bats, creating a beneficial environment for your home. What we like. This bat house is modeled after a proven design, offering an ideal roosting environment with its 2-chamber system and no interior paint. If you prioritize a scientifically backed design that ensures bat safety and comfort, this is the one for you. It's a great option for those who want a reliable way to attract bats and reduce mosquito populations. What people say. The bat house is well constructed with durable wood, ensuring it will last for many seasons. Its multi-chamber design provides ample roosting space for a colony of bats, promoting a healthy environment for them. The ventilation and drainage features are thoughtfully incorporated, keeping the interior dry and comfortable for the bats. Number 3. Kenley Large Triple-Chamber Bat House. This bat house is specifically designed with bat preferences in mind. Its spacious chambers offer a comfortable roosting area, and a textured landing platform makes it easy for them to settle in. Crafted from sustainable cedar wood, this bat box is naturally resistant to rot and decay. It's built to withstand the elements and provide a lasting shelter for years to come. Arriving pre-assembled, this shelter is simple to install. With a pre-drilled hole and sturdy hanger, you can mount it on a pole, tree, or wall in just minutes. For best results, hang it 15 to 20 feet high in a sunny, clear flight path. They may take a little time to discover their new home, so patience is key. By providing a safe haven, you help support local bat populations, which are vital for ecosystems and agriculture. This offers them a better alternative to nesting in human structures. What we like. This bat house is specifically engineered with bat preferences in mind, featuring a spacious triple chamber and an easy-to-use landing platform. If you're looking for a bat house that prioritizes bat comfort and accessibility, this is an ideal selection. It's perfect for those who want to provide a welcoming and safe habitat for local bat populations. What people say. This bat house is well constructed with durable materials, ensuring it will last for many seasons. The design of the bat house provides ample roosting space for bats, with multiple chambers to accommodate a colony. Easy to install and maintain, this bat house is a great addition for anyone looking to support local bat populations. Number 2. Kenley Small Bat House Kit. Crafted from high-quality cedar wood, this bat house is built to last for years, even in challenging outdoor conditions. It comes pre-assembled with included mounting hardware. Simply attach it 8 to 12 feet high in a sunny, sheltered spot to welcome local bats. Designed with grooved interiors and a landing platform, it provides a secure and cozy environment for bats to cling and rest. The natural, weather-resistant finish is attractive to bats, helping them stay warm. It's perfect for most U.S. climates, especially cooler regions. We offer a 100% risk-free purchase. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a full refund or replacement. Order yours today. What we like. This bat house offers a cozy, warm environment with its single chamber and grooved interior for easy clinging, making it ideal for bats to land and roost. If you're in a climate where heat retention is crucial, or you prefer a natural, unfinished look, this is a great choice. It's particularly recommended for northern states to maximize heat absorption. What people say. This bat house is well constructed with durable wood and a sturdy design, ensuring it will last for years. The multiple chambers provide ample space for bats to roost comfortably, and the ventilation system keeps the interior at an optimal temperature. Easy to install and maintain, this bat house is a great addition to any garden or backyard looking to attract beneficial bats. Number 1. WHITEHORSE 4-Compartment Bat House. Introducing the WHITEHORSE 4-Compartment Bat House, a premium cedar bat box built to last. Enjoy a healthier yard with fewer mosquitoes while supporting bats. This functional solution is made from 100% FSC Western cedar wood and coated with 3 layers of exterior-grade paint. It's designed to last longer than other outdoor bat houses. Installation is simple with included exterior-grade mounting hardware. You'll also find detailed tips on the back and access to a guide on attracting bats. This unique design, proven successful when installed on buildings, is the first of its kind introduced in North America. It offers a successful way to house bats. Bats are vital to our ecosystem but often misunderstood. Provide them with a safe shelter and enjoy the many benefits they bring to your property. We stand by the quality of our bat boxes, and we're confident bats will love them too. Choose the color that best suits your region for optimal results. What we like. This premium bat box features a unique 4-compartment design, making it the first of its kind in North America endorsed by MTBC. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable option with a design proven to be successful, this is an excellent investment. It's ideal for those who want to support bats with a top-tier roosting solution and enjoy a healthier yard. What people say. This bat house is well constructed and provides ample roosting space for bats. The design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, which is a great feature. It effectively attracts bats and offers them a safe place to shelter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.